Hello students, today we are going to start next topic, interior points. Interior points. First of all, we recall what is definition of metric space. A function d from x cross x to R is said to be metric on set X if it satisfies following conditions. First one is d of xy is always greater than or equal to 0 for all xy belongs to capital X. Second one is d of xy is equals to 0 if and only if x is equals to y. Third one is d of xy is equals to d of y comma x. This is xy belongs to capital X. This is for all xy belongs to capital X. This property is called symmetry. Then fourth one is triangle inequality. D of xy is less than or equal to d of xz plus d of zy for all x comma y comma z belongs to capital X. This property is called triangle inequality. Next we have seen definition of open sphere. What is the definition of open sphere? It is denoted by SR of X and it is set of all y belongs to capital X such that distance between x and y is strictly less than r. Then we have seen closed sphere. What is the definition of closed sphere? Closed sphere. Closed sphere. It is denoted by SR of X. It is nothing but set of all y belongs to X such that distance between x and y is less than or equal to r. Then we have seen neighborhood. Neighborhood. What is the definition of neighborhood? XDB any metric space. XDB metric space said G is a subset of X is said to be neighborhood of X is belongs to G if SR of X is a subset of G, that is when any set is neighborhood of X belongs to G if open sphere centered at that point is totally contained in G. That is, suppose this is X and in which suppose this is a G space and this is X belongs to G. When we say that G is neighborhood of X, when SR of X, that is open sphere centered at X with radius R, is totally contained in G. This is the definition of neighborhood. Next we have seen definition of open space. Open space. It is depend upon neighborhood. Again here XDB any metric space. XDB any metric space. Then G is a subset of X. It's said to be open set when if it is neighborhood of each of its points. If it is neighborhood of each of its points. That is, for all x belongs to G, there exists r greater than 0 such that open sphere centered at X with radius R is totally contained in G. Then we can say that G is an open set. Let us see what is definition of interior point. Interior point definition. Let XT be a metric space and A is subset of X. A point X is belongs to capital A is said to be an interior point of A if A is neighborhood of X. See here, what is definition of interior point? A is a subset of X. A point X belongs to capital X is said to be an interior point of A if A is neighborhood of X. Suppose this is metric space XT and this is suppose A is a subset of X. We have taken, suppose this X is belongs to A. When we say that X is interior point of A, if we can find R greater than 0 such that SR of X, this is SR of X is a subset of A. Equivalently, a point X is belongs to A is said to be an interior point of A if there exists R greater than 0 such that SR of X is subset of A. What is the definition of interior point? When X belongs to A is said to be an interior point of A if there exists or we can find an open sphere which is totally contained in A, then X is an interior point of A. Next line, write down in next line, the interior point of A, it is denoted by A interior. It is nothing but it is the set of all interior points, of A. That is, see here, A interior is nothing but the set of all interior points A, or A interior is nothing but the set of all X belongs to A such that SR of X is a subset of A for some R greater than 0. See here, what is A interior? It is the set of all X which is belongs to A such that open sphere centered at X with radius R is totally contained in A. Let us see examples on interior point. Example. First, let RU be the usual metric. Space. RU be the usual metric space means d of x comma y is equal to mod x minus y. And A is a subset of R. Then, in which first A is if A is equal to open interval AB, then second semi-open closed interval AB, semi-closed open interval AB and closed interval AB. Then A interior is equal to open interval AB. Here we see solution of this problem. What we have, if A is equal to open interval AB, semi-open closed interval AB, semi-closed open interval AB and closed interval AB, then interior point of these all intervals is nothing but only open interval. See here, what is the definition of interior? Interior is nothing but the set of all x belongs to A such that SR of x is totally contained in A. So, obviously, interior point of open interval AB is open interval AB, because for all x belongs to open interval AB, we can find R greater than 0 such that SR of x is totally contained in A. Now, think about this interval. If we take point B belongs to open interval, semi-open closed interval AB. But we cannot find R greater than 0, that is, there does not exist R greater than 0 such that SR of x is a subset of A. See here, suppose we have considered this interval. It is closed at B and it is open at A. So, see here, this interval is open at A, that's why we can find, therefore, see here, if we choose B, obviously B belongs to in this interval, but if we choose any small radius and draw a sphere around it, then it goes outside the interval, which is not totally contained in this interval. Therefore, B is not interior point for this interval. Similarly, in this interval, A is not interior point for this interval, and for closed interval AB, both A and B are not interior points. Therefore, for this interval, interior points are only open interval AB. Here, for all x belongs to here, if A is equals to open interval AB, then obviously A interior is equals to, if A is equals to open interval AB, then also A interior is equals to open interval AB. Why this is? Because for B belongs to semi-open closed interval AB, there does not exist R greater than 0 such that what happens? SR of A or SR of B is not totally contained in semi-open closed interval AB. Therefore, B is not interior point of A. Therefore, B is not interior point of A. Therefore, interior point of A is only open interval A. Similarly, if A is equals to semi-closed open interval AB, then also A interior is equals to open interval AB. Okay. Why this is? Because for A belongs to semi-closed open interval AB, there does not exist r greater than 0 such that SR of A, that is open sphere centered at A with radius r, is totally contained in semi-closed open interval AB. Therefore, A is not interior point of A. Therefore, A is not interior point of A. That is, therefore, A, if A is equals to this interval, then A interior is equals to open interval AB. Now what happens if A is equals to closed interval AB? If A is equals to closed interval AB, then obviously A interior is equals to open interval AB. What is the reason for this? Because both points A and B are belongs to closed interval AB, but since A comma B belongs to open interval AB, but there does not exist R1 and R2 greater than 0 such that SR1 of A comma SR2 of B is a subset of closed interval AB. Therefore, A and B are not interior points. Therefore, if A is equals to closed interval AB, then interior of A is equals to open interval AB. Let us take second example B. If A is equals to N, Z and Q, then A interior is equals to phi. Why A interior is equals to phi? See here, if we consider A is equals to N, we know that N is nothing but set of all natural numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. See here, for all x belongs to N, there does not exist r greater than 0 such that SR of x is a subset of A. See here, for any A belongs to or x belongs to N, obviously A belongs to SR of A, which is equals to open interval A minus R, A plus R, because in the usual metric space RU, every open sphere is an open interval. We have seen that problem, which is not contained in N for all R. for all R. Since why? Because why this is? Since open interval a minus r, a plus r contains some rationals as well as irrational. See here, set of all natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Suppose I choose point 2 and choose any radius r and draw a sphere around 2. What happened? This SR of 2 does not contain all points of natural number. It contains some rationals as well as irrationals. That's why this open sphere is not totally contained in N. Therefore, A is not neighborhood of set of all natural numbers. And this is true for all N. That's why A interior is equal to 5. Therefore, N is not neighborhood of its any point. Therefore, N interior is equal to 5. Therefore, N interior is equal to 5. Similar for, just take here A is equal to Z, Q. Z is set of integer and Q is set of all rational numbers. And it's similar, do the similar. That is, if we consider A is equals to Z, then what happens? For any A belongs to Z, A belongs to SR of A, which is equals to this interval which is not contained in Z for all R. Since similar reason, this interval contains some rationals as well as irrationals. Therefore, Z is not neighborhood of its any point. Therefore, Z interior is equal to 5. Similar for Q. Let us take C. Example number C. If A is equal to R, then A interior is equal to R. Why A interior is equal to R? Because or we can see solution for all x belongs to R, for all x belongs to R, x belongs to SR of x, which is nothing but open interval x minus R, x plus R, which is subset of R, and this is true for all R greater than 0. Therefore, R is neighborhood of each of its points. Therefore, A interior is equal to R. Let us see theorem on interior point. In theorem, let T be a matrix space and A comma B is a subset of X. Then first A part is A is a subset of B, implies A interior is a subset of B interior. B is A intersection B interior is equal to A interior intersection B interior, and C part is A union B interior is contains A interior union B interior. Let us see proof of theorem. First we prove part A. Proof of part C. Proof of part A. See here what we have given: X matrix space and A and B are subsets of X. Then in first part we have to show that if A is a subset of B, that implies A interior is a subset of B interior. We have to show that this A interior is a subset of B interior. For this purpose, we take one element in A interior and we show that element in B interior. Let X belongs to A interior. Then by definition of A interior, what happened? There exists an open sphere SR of X, which is a subset of X by definition of interior point. That implies SR of X is a subset of B. Why this is? Because in hypothesis we have given that A is a subset of B. That implies X belongs to B interior, again by definition of interior point. That implies, see here what we have taken, X belongs to A interior, and what we have get, X belongs to B interior. That implies A interior is a subset of B interior. Hence proof of part A is complete. Now we see proof of part B. What we have to show here? We have to show here is A intersection B interior is equals to A interior intersection B interior. That is, we have to show that two sets are equal. We know that when A and B are equal, if A is a subset of B or B is a subset of A, and B is a subset of A. Here, for this purpose, we have to show that A intersection B interior is a subset of A interior intersection B interior, and A interior intersection B interior is a subset of A intersection B interior. First we show A intersection B interior is a subset of A interior intersection B interior. For this, let X belongs to, or here we can write, what we have to show? We have to show that A intersection B interior is equals to A interior intersection B interior. That is, we have to show that what we have to show, A intersection B interior is a subset of A interior intersection B interior, and A interior intersection B interior is a subset of A intersection B interior. First we show A intersection B interior is a subset of A interior intersection B interior. Here we have to show that this set is a subset of this set. For this we can let X belongs to A intersection B interior. Let X belongs to A intersection B interior, and we show that this X belongs to A interior intersection B interior. See here, X belongs to A intersection B interior. X belongs to A intersection B interior. By definition of interior point, what happens? There exists an open sphere SR of A. Obviously, this is a subset of A intersection B. That implies, see here, this open sphere belongs to A intersection B. That implies SR of X is belongs to A and SR of X is belongs to B. This belongs to each subset. That implies, see here, open sphere centered at X with radius R is subset of A. That means X is belongs to A interior and X is belongs to B interior by definition of interior point. That implies X is belongs to A interior intersection B interior. See here what we have taken, X is belongs to A intersection B interior. And what we get? X is belongs to A interior intersection B interior. That implies A intersection B interior is a subset of A interior B interior. A intersection B interior is a subset of A interior intersection B interior. Okay, call this equation 1. First part is proved. Now to show that A interior intersection B interior is a subset of A intersection B interior. Okay. For this purpose, let X is belongs to A interior intersection B interior, and we have to show that this X is belongs to A intersection B interior. Okay. That implies X is belongs to A interior and X is belongs to B interior. Okay. X is belongs to A interior means therefore there exists open sphere. That implies there exists open sphere SR1 of X, which is a subset of A, and SR2 of X, which is a subset of B. That implies, see here, that implies SR of X is a subset of A intersection B. Choose R is equals to minimum of R1 and R2. That implies SR of X is a subset of A intersection B. That implies X is belongs to A intersection B interior by definition of interior points. Here what we have taken, X is belongs to A interior intersection B interior, and what we get, X is belongs to A intersection B interior. Therefore A interior intersection B interior is a subset of A intersection B interior. Call this equation number 2. Therefore from 1 and 2 we get A intersection B interior is equals to A interior intersection B interior. Hence proof of B is complete. Now we prove part C. In C part we have to prove A interior union B interior is contained in A union B interior. Let X is belongs to A interior union B interior, and we show that this X is belongs to A union B interior. X is belongs to A interior union B interior implies X is belongs to A interior or X is belongs to B interior. That implies there exists open sphere. That implies there exists open sphere SR of X, which is a subset of A, or SR of X, which is a subset of B. there exists open sphere SR of X, which is subset of A, or SR of X, which is a subset of P. Therefore, or that implies SR of X is a subset of A union B. That implies X is belongs to A union B interior. See here what we have taken. X is belongs to A interior union B interior, and we get X is belongs to A union B interior. Therefore, A interior union B interior is subset of A union B interior. Take remark. A interior union B interior is proper subset of A union B interior. For this, let's take one example. In the usual metric RU, consider the set A is equals to closed interval 0, 1 and B is equals to closed interval 1, 2. A union B is equals to, here A is closed interval 0, 1, B is closed interval 1, 2. Then what is A union B? Obviously closed interval 0, 2. Note that what is A interior? A interior is nothing but open interval 0, 1. B interior is open interval 1, 2. And A union B interior is open interval 0, 2. Now A interior union B interior. What is open interval 0, 1 union open interval 1, 2. This interval is not continuous because this interval is open at A. It is also open at A. Therefore, 1 does not belong to A interior union B interior. And what is A union B interior is equals to open interval 0, 2. What is it implies? It implies A interior union B interior is proper subset of A union B interior. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.